Hey you all, welcome or welcome back to my channel, and today video is all going to be about unboxing. Before we unbox, I would want you to just subscribe to my channel. Below there's a link and you can see the subscribe button, right? So you don't have to actually stop the video, pause the video, subscribe, and let's start to unbox. So most of the products I have right now with me are from Mcaffeine. I am someone who does use Mcaffeine a lot because they do suit my skin. So this night gel is something I have been using since a very long time, and it does suit my skin. Trust me, like if I use this for straight 7 days in my night routine, my all the marks on my face to disappear, they start to lighten up, and it is really good for, at least to me, it really suits. My skin type is sensitive, so maybe you can try, and if you've tried and it's not suiting you, no worries, there are so many creams in the market. Just go with the one which is good for your skin. I really like the jelly texture it has, and it does work for me, so yes. So next I have is anti-aging. I've just hit 30. I did highlight this in my last video as well, so I felt like leaning towards anti-aging now. So this is a black tea complex retinol. See, what I've started about retinol right now is it's not very okay, or it does take time to suit your skin. That's the reason I am very scared to try any new product on my skin. So I do try to use some products or some homemade methods, mostly like homemade mask and night cream, the Mcaffeine one which I just showed you. So this is going to be a new product for me, and let's see how this will suit my skin. I'll for sure show you, let you know about the reviews. So here, while talking to you guys, I did unbox this. So this is like a pump, and see, the consistency looks okay, it's non-sticky, and let's see how this works. I've really not used it. I have zero idea about how this will be on my skin. How does this react to my pimples? Let's see. My skin is not acne pro, so for me, using any product, and if it doesn't suit my skin, I really I do get acne very easily with the products that are not suiting my skin, and that's when I know if I would want to continue using this or not. I am not someone who will wait for some time to let that product sit and my skin get used to it and then I'm not getting pimple. No, sorry. I'm someone, if I'm using it for the first time, it suits my skin great. Like there are no pimple, no side effect, no rashes. Cool, I'll continue to use. But the minute I get any of these, I'll stop using it completely. I'm not damaging my skin at all. I am this way. Okay, so the next product I have is body scrub. This product is something I have been using. Again, I am a body scrub person. So मेरे पास जितने face scrubs हैं, I have an amount of body scrubs as well. And this is something I've been using. I did use this earlier as well. And I really like it. Because my skin is not very smooth, I like twice or thrice a week I do go for body scrub, and this is it. So the packaging is really great. I think their Mcaffeine's packaging for their box are almost similar. So this is it, and they have the scrub. So I'm not opening this up because I already have an open one in my I'm currently using. So the one which I'm right now using are from Thailand. They're going to get over and then I'll open this. So I'm not opening this like opening, but yes, this is the unboxing. This is the next one I have, and it is a body scrub spa salt. Now this I got from Thailand, so I'm really not sure if you can get this on Amazon. You'll have to check, frankly. And let's, I think I'm a new creator. No, I need those knife, Pinteresty knife. You will see that Pinteresty knives I will buy. Okay, let me add that to my list. Okay, so this is what it looks like, and let's Ooh. So the packaging is also like a box. I didn't expect it to be like a. I thought it might be a smaller, but no. And okay, it doesn't have a plastic on top, because of which I just directly open the box and I can show it to you. The smell is a bit weird. Not happy with the smell. And also, if you actually see, product is on the side, like you can see, right? This is so weird. I'll have to do a patch test first before using this product. मैंने ये random market से उठाया था, so if it really does work, great. Leela Wadi is the flavor I got for this one. I got one more same with a different flavor. Let me show you. And this one is rice milk. So rice milk, we all know, is very much famous in Korea. And rice is really beautiful for your skin. I've recently posted some DIYs for rice hair mask and face mask, so do check them out. And I need to get that fancy knife. Jaldi se jaldi followers badhao, subscribe to my channel, make more views to me so that I can get all these things. But do it. So much, subscribe. Okay, so the packaging is same, just as the other one. And this is the rice mask here. Again, no plastic on the box. See, this smell is very bad. I'm sorry, smell is very bad. I didn't like the smell at all, but this one looks better to me. So I'll do a patch test and I'll show you. Okay, this is another body scrub. I think this video should be body scrub unboxing videos. Oh no, wait. Unboxing body scrub products. Got you. So this is a next one from MCaffeine, and this is blueberries. I told you guys I just love this. So they have a small plastic bag. Actually, you know what? I would not want to open this up, but plastic nikalne ke baad. Okay, so this was not inside any box or something. I just got this. Wow, guys. This does smell like blueberries. If you're a blueberry fan, try this. It's really good. It has a nice smell. अरे यार मेरे को नहीं यूज करना है. Okay. I pause this to close. I would recommend you. This is good. This has a nice smell. Next is this Black Tea Complex Night Cream. Now, the cream which I'm currently using is Green Tea Night Gel, which is this one. Yes, this one. Right wala, ye wala bhi main use karne wali hu. This is the one which I love to use. I can use it daily. Like, I am using it daily. What use? I'm using this daily. It's great for my skin. I just love this one. This is a new one which I've just ordered. So देखते हैं ये कैसी सूट होगा मुझे. My Hindi is a bit weird sometimes, you know, when I'm speaking in Hindi, English, 2-3 language. मला मराठी पण येते हा असं नाही. If you are a Maharashtrian, comment down below. आपण मराठीमध्ये बोलू मग. We'll speak in Marathi then. That's what I meant. Okay, so this I am unboxing. I've removed the plastic. Okay. Yes. मुझे अच्छा लग रहा है. I really wanted to open all these boxes. Like, you know, you get that satisfying feeling when you see someone opening the boxes. I feel that. Maybe I could have created better video with that, but this video for YouTube was more important. Okay, so the bottle looks very average, more plasticky. Feel this. Okay, I'm not going to open the bottle because I still have my entire bottle to. I still want to use this full bottle. I've just opened it up, and they do say, like, you know, these products you should use once you open them. You need to use them within 6 to 12 months or 3 months something. This has nothing written. This doesn't have anything such written on it. But I would still not want to open. Like, I'm someone who will open the bottle and I'll finish it like within 3 to 6 months. So I'm not opening this up. But yes, it is. I will give you a review on this once I start to use. Let's see. Let's hope this is really good. O3. Okay. So O3, okay, in Dubai, the facial is a bit expensive, and I do feel that. So I go like for special occasions, but also for my backup when I feel like I won't have time to go, and just for emergency backup situations, I have these packages always. I stuff them up from India. You get this on Amazon as well. You do get this in UAE as well. Noon पे आपको बहुत easily मिल जाएगा. Use my code on Noon AYU0. I've mentioned it here. Use this and you will get cashback up to 5%. And you can also use my code for food, Noon delivery, Noon express items, cashback. No, okay. One, this is good, yeah. I have used it, and this has 4 steps. So I'm just opening this up. I'll show it to you. Oh, I think it has a mask also. Not bad. Okay. Okay. This is not that. This modern things. So this is how it opens up. And these are the 3 steps. Step 1, 2, 3. And the third one is mask. And they have mask over here. And this says Bilberries mold mask. I think this is that mask you face pe lagate hain, and then they just satisfying wala, rubbered wala types. I'm going to show you once I do when I use this product. Now I will show it to you guys. Trust me. I was planning to use it recently, and then inner Indian in me came out, and I went for rice mask. And I am someone who'll use all these, like I'll use this as well, but homemade masks are my thing. Like I feel so comfortable using them. So you should have this. If you are someone who love to do these things at home, have it. Once a month is also okay. O3. Oh, sorry. Sorry. This is O3, and it is a bridal brightening kit. Not bridal. It's a brightening kit. So मैं ये बहुत पहले लेकर आई थी. I think almost a year ago, and I did not use it since then. One of the also major reason for me to open these boxes are so that I use them. Oh my god, what's wrong with me? I was not this, yeah. Earlier I used to buy things and use them. Now look at me. Everything is just kept as it is. So this is what it looks like. There was a plastic which I've removed. Ooh. Yeah, now you can see. Okay, I am happy. कि उन्होंने थोड़ा, it's good. Can you see it in my camera? Yes, you can. So yeah, I like it. I think yeah, the best is this bottles. छोटी छोटी जो bottles हैं, this can be reused. Not in a kitchen or anywhere, but you can use a bit of product and then do multiple times. These what I'm worried about is this is Detan micro peel mask. Okay, let's see. This is also for tan. I want to see. Vitamin C gel bleach. This is a bleach. These all are bleach. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as per them, we can use this 5 times. ये मैं एक ही टाइम में कैसे खत्म करूँगी यार? मतलब I can use this in one, no, because they have this packages. See, they are not that dumb. So you get these for each use. You are getting this one sheet which has cleanser, peeling, cream. Smart. I like the packaging. Now I like the packaging. If it is this way. Okay. So bleaches idhar hai, ye idhar hai. This is the extra bleach powder they have given, which I sometimes use for my white clothes. Me being typical me. Okay, so this was the skincare I had with me in the it was holiday season, and I got Steve Maiden 3 bags. The deal was great, of course. That's the reason I got it. So let me show you. Look at this. So I got this entire box, and the reason I bought it is, let me show you why. You will like it too. Can you see? Yes. Okay, sorry. So this box comes with a credit card holder wallet. This is such a small and cute with the kitchen on the side. And then the bag. This bag is so nice. I can take it everywhere. It's not very big. It's not very small. It is so spacious as well. With this, it also comes with these straps. And the straps are adjustable. So this was really a great deal for me. Next is one more MK, one more O3. Now this is a detan pack. If you are traveling, if you travel a lot like me, you need to have some detan box with you, some detan creams or products. Yes, you can go to facial every time, but sometimes you just need to have some products at home. So if you don't have time, you can just use this. So the packaging. This already smells good. So, okay. This is very shiny, let me tell you. Okay. It smells normal. It's not something very much, but it's white. So, yep. Detan, I'm happy I have this. Did I use this? No. Will I be using it? Yes, and I'll show it to you. Subscribe so that whenever I share feedbacks on these products, you can see, and I will mostly share the feedback on these products in my shorts. So subscribe now. Okay, so the last product I have is also from Steve Maiden. This is the box I have. Okay, let's open this up as well. Can you see this? It is screaming by me. Sorry, again. Okay. So I like the belt they have. And then you get this belt. You also get this belt. And have a look. So you get 2 belts on this. And you have this bag, little boy. It's good. It feels good. This I'll let it stay. It has a separate belt. I'm so happy. Okay guys, so with this we come to an end of this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to comment down what next video should be more about. This is the unboxing video we had today. Feedback on each and every product, I will be sharing it soon once I start to use them. Till then, thank you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, follow me on Instagram as well. Yes, thank you. Bye bye.